Looking for a powerful and upgrade-friendly PC? Tower desktops are your go-to choice for performance, storage, and customization. Ideal for gaming, creative work, or multitasking, the best tower desktops combine speed, reliability, and expandability to meet all your computing needs. Starting at number 1. SkyTech Computer PC Desktop. The SkyTech Shadow 3.0 is a pre-built gaming desktop that pairs a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU, giving you strong performance for modern games and creative tasks. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD, it delivers fast load times and smooth multitasking, ideal for gaming, streaming, and productivity right out of the box. It comes in a sleek case with RGB fans and tempered glass side panel, making it both powerful and visually appealing. Out of the box it's plug and play and doesn't come with bloatware, so you can start gaming or work immediately. In short, it's a great choice if you want a budget-friendly yet powerful tower desktop that balances speed, graphics, and reliability. Number 2. SkyTech Archangel Gaming PC Desktop. The SkyTech Archangel Gaming Computer PC Desktop is a powerful and ready-to-use tower PC designed for gamers and multitaskers. It features a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU, providing smooth Full HD, 1080p, gaming and strong performance for creative and everyday tasks. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 500GB SSD, it ensures fast boot times, quick game loads, and responsive multitasking. The desktop comes in a stylish SkyTech Archangel case with RGB fans and a tempered glass side panel, plus 802.11 AC Wi-Fi support, multiple USB ports, and a free keyboard and mouse. Assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support, this desktop delivers both performance and reliability straight out of the box, making it an excellent choice for gamers and users seeking a hassle-free, high-performance PC. Number 3. CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR combines a 6-core Intel Core i5-10400F CPU with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU, giving you enough power for 1080p gaming, multimedia, and everyday tasks. It comes with a 500GB NVMe SSD and 8GB DDR4 RAM, ensuring fast boot UPS, quick load times, and smooth performance in many games and apps. The build also includes built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, a tempered glass side panel, RGB lighting, and packaged-in gaming peripherals, keyboard plus mouse, making it a ready-to-use system right away. In short, if you're after a pre-built, budget-friendly PC for gaming and everyday use, without needing to assemble parts yourself, this Gamer Xtreme is a solid plug-and-play desktop. Number 4. Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a modern desktop built around the powerful Intel Core Ultra 7265 processor, offering smooth and speedy performance for office work, creative tasks, and multitasking. It comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, upgradable, and a roomy 1TB M.2 SSD, ensuring fast boot times and quick access to files and apps. With integrated Intel UHD graphics, it's ideal for business tasks, web browsing, video calls, media editing, and multi-monitor productivity setups, though it's not aimed at high-end gaming. The chassis is designed for easy upgrades. You can add extra RAM, storage, or even a dedicated GPU later as your needs grow. Overall, the ECT1250 is a strong choice if you want a reliable, well-rounded business/home office desktop that delivers speed, storage, and flexibility in one package. Number 5. Dell Tower Desktop for Business. The Dell Tower ECT1250 combines a modern 10-core Intel Core Ultra 5225 processor, with up to 4.9 GHz boost, and integrated Intel UHD graphics to deliver capable everyday and office performance, from multitasking and productivity workflows to light content creation and media tasks. configurable with up to 32GB DDR5 5600MT/S RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, it ensures fast boot times, quick load of applications and smooth handling of large files or multiple apps. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, a broad selection of ports, USB-C, DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, etc., and support for multiple monitors, it fits well in business or home office setups. Its chassis offers toolless access for easy upgrades, whether you want to add storage, memory, or even a dedicated GPU later on. Overall, the ECT1250 is a versatile, future-proof choice for anyone needing a reliable, upgradable desktop for work, productivity, and general use.